In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed your Google Calendar into Notion, making your schedule more accessible and easy to manage directly from your productivity hub. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step with clear instructions to ensure you can integrate your calendar seamlessly. Let's get started by opening Google Calendar. Simply head over to your web browser and type in this URL, calendar.google.com. Ensure that you're logged into your Gmail account so you can effortlessly access your calendars. Once you have your Google Calendar open, we're going to move over to the calendar settings, particularly with the updated user interface. Look to the left sidebar where you see My Calendars. Hover over the calendar that you want to connect. Maybe it's your personal one like My Calendar. Next, navigate to the top right corner of Google Calendar and click on the Settings icon. From here, select Settings. On the left panel of the Settings page, scroll down until you see Settings for My Calendars. Here, you'll find the name of your calendar, such as My Calendar. Click on it, and a set of options for that calendar will appear. Now, let's proceed to make your calendar public. Scroll to the section that says Access Permissions for Events. You'll notice a checkbox next to Make Available to Public. Go ahead and check that box. If Google warns you that by doing this your events will be visible to the public, just click OK to proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring that your calendar can be displayed within Notion. With your calendar now public, we can move on to copying the embed link. Scroll a bit further down the page until you find Integrate Calendar. Here, there's a section labeled Embed Code. You'll want to focus on the URL part encased within quotes following src. Carefully copy this URL. It might look something like https:/calendar.google.com/calendar/embed src your name %40gmail.com. Next, we're going to open Notion. Navigate to your Notion dashboard or any page where you want your calendar embedded. Once you're there, click anywhere on the page and type in /embed. Select the Embed option from the list. Now, paste the Google Calendar URL that you copied earlier into the designated area. Finally, click Embed Link, and with that, your Google Calendar will appear inside Notion. You can now easily scroll through and view your calendar in this integrated format, providing you with all your scheduling needs at your fingertips directly within Notion. By following these straightforward steps, you have not only made your calendar more accessible, but also enhanced your productivity setup, tying together Google Calendar and Notion in a cohesive manner. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your workflow just a bit more seamless. Enjoy your newly integrated calendar experience.